I didn't lose my slime stand. I talked myself out of it. Mason, do you ever feel like the universe is against you? Like, I wanted to start my slime shop. I planned it. I dreamed it. I prepped it. I even color-coded it. And then everything went kaboom.
What happened? What are we talking? Like, oops, no glue, or the glitter ran away?
Worse. I'm already short on time. Mom cleaned my room and forgot where she put my stickers. And the worst of it all, my brother sneezed on the supplies. You know, I totally went crazy for 5 minutes, accepted reality, and decided to quit.
Man, that really does sound frustrating. But, Zoe, let me ask. Are you really giving up your slime dream because of those things?
Yes, time matters, Mason. No stickers equals no packaging. No supplies equals no slime. It's not like I'm sitting around doing nothing. The universe literally sabotaged me.
So, was it the sneeze or the fear that made you give up?
Rude, but maybe both.
Zoe, want to know what my Uncle Biggie says?
If it rhymes.
Excuses feel sweet, but they leave you on repeat.
Whoa, that's uncomfortably accurate, but terrifying.
Excuses are like blank checks to your comfort zone, but comfort won't grow your slime stand into a candy shop, let alone build Babyland.
So I've been investing in nothing with compounding fear.
Don't sweat it. Happens to all of us. But the trick, you gotta upgrade the question.
You lost me. I don't even have glitter. I'm not in a place to upgrade anything.
Listen, when your brain says, I can't do it, you ask back, what can I do? Or how can I start, even just a little?
Okay. So instead of, I don't have time, I ask, how do I make time? Or what's one small thing I can do today?
Boom. That's baby boss talk.
And instead of, my brother sneezed on my supplies,
You brand it. Limited edition Germ Core Sparkle Slime. Premium pricing.
you're like Warren Buffett if he wore onesies and had pudding breath.
Thank you. I take that as wealthy baby compliment. But for real, every time you catch an excuse and replace it with a curious question, you take back the steering wheel.
And what if I crash?
You probably will. I did too. I tried to sell sock cookies once. Don't ask. But every crash taught me how to steer better.
Okay, today I'm going to catch my excuses and swap them out for baby boss questions.
That's the spirit. Excuses make you feel safe, but responsibility, that makes you strong.
Even glittery, germy ones?
Especially those.
If you've ever blamed your glitter, your schedule, or your baby brother's sneeze, this one's for you.
Drop your favorite excuse in the comments and then retire it like a worn-out bib. We're building better habits, not backup plans.
And if this gave your future self a new idea, hit that subscribe. Starts in your head.
Spreads to your pockets. Go rewrite your story, one brave baby step at a time.